Girl, you cannot put a price tag on feeling good. That's why before the cold and flu season comes and tries to take over your life, let's make the viral homemade cough syrup. Let's start out with ginger, turmeric, garlic, onion, lime, lemon. Make sure you get the organic kind. Black pepper, rosemary, one jalapeno pepper, organic thyme, cayenne pepper, and really make this your own. Like I was adding extra ingredients like cinnamon sticks and Himalayan sea salt and cloves because I know all of those things has its own like nutritional value. So you can add these or you can leave these out altogether. But the black pepper, the cayenne pepper, when they all combine, you're talking about like antiviral, antibacterial, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, like you name the vitamins, this definitely has it in there. Go ahead and add everything to a jar, add water, then smash all of the vegetables down so that everything's covered by the water. You don't want any bacteria to get in it. Put it in your cabinet for 4 weeks and watch how that thing slap.